Hi everyone, welcome to Crystalflare. I'm Emily, and today I'll show you how to make the Bloom Crystal Suncatcher, a lovely piece that brightens up your car with floral charm and rainbow light. Here are the materials you'll need for this project. Feel free to pause the video and take a closer look before we begin. Let's dive in. Step 1. Layout planning. Before attaching anything to the frame, lay out all your beads, charms, and crystals on a flat surface like a tray, fabric, or sheet of white paper to visualize your composition. Place the metal frame flat in its upright position, as it will hang. Position the large crystal teardrop at the center bottom of the circle. This sets your focal point. Arrange your pink, purple, and white beads and resin flower charms symmetrically or in freestyle along both sides of the frame. Mix larger beads with smaller ones for depth and visual interest. Adjust colors and placement for either symmetry or creative contrast, e.g., pink, purple, white repeating or randomized. Place the butterfly charm right above the teardrop at the center to balance the entire piece visually. Tip: take a photo of your layout before assembling. It's a helpful reference when you start attaching. You're off to a great start. Now let's begin putting it together. Step 2. Decorating the frame. Cut a 1.2 to 1.5 meter length of thin jewelry wire, around 0.4 millimeters. Avoid cutting too short. You need enough to wrap the full frame for a polished and sturdy finish. Start at one side of Wrap the wire tightly around the frame 8 to 10 times to secure the end. Wrap evenly to create a neat anchor. Begin threading your beads and resin flowers according to the design from step 1. Distribute components across 3 visual surfaces of the frame. Front side, visible when facing the frame. Inner edge, facing inside the ring. Outer edge, facing outward from the ring. After adding each bead or charm, wrap the wire around the frame 2 full turns to lock it in place securely. Tip: every 3 to 5 beads, give the wire a firm pull to keep the design tight and durable. For flower charms, insert the flower first, then add a small bead afterward to hold the flower in place. Maintain position while wrapping back to keep the charm fixed in place. Once all components are attached, Wrap the remaining wire tightly several times and trim excess cleanly. Tip: use clear nylon thread for an invisible effect, delicate look, but metal wire holds shapes better and is easier to work with. You're doing amazing. This is the part where it really starts to come to life. Step 3. Attach the large crystal teardrop. Use a large jump ring to hang the teardrop crystal from the bottom center of the frame. Use pliers, or fingers, to twist open the ring, attach to the top groove of the crystal, if available, and close securely. Step 4. Attach the butterfly charm. Thread wire through the hole in the butterfly charm and twist 1 to 2 times to secure. Place the butterfly at the center of the ring, right above the teardrop. Separate the 2 wire ends and wrap them tightly around each side of the metal frame to keep the butterfly in place. Tip: adjust the butterfly so it faces forward and sits neatly centered in the crescent opening. This adds symmetry and completes the composition. When sunlight hits the teardrop, it will scatter rainbows. Make sure it hangs directly beneath the butterfly for the most eye-catching effect. Nice job. The centerpiece is now shining bright. You're doing great. Almost there. Step 5. Finishing touches and hanging chain. Use small jump rings to connect the 3 hexagonal crystal beads and 1 heart bead into a short dangling strand. Attach one end of this strand to the top of the frame using a jump ring. Add a short chain, 8 to 10 centimeters, at the very top for hanging. Tip: for sunlit windows or bright areas, use chains with tiny crystal beads for added sparkle and color projection. Final adjustments. After assembly, take a step back and examine your suncatcher. If it feels unbalanced or lacks sparkle. Extra tip: add more beads or crystals to fill any gaps or enhance reflectivity. Each extra piece boosts the rainbow light play when the sun hits. And that's it, you've finished your Bloom Crystal Suncatcher. This handmade beauty is perfect for rear-view mirrors, sunny windows, or even as a heartfelt gift. Wherever you hang it, it'll bring light, movement, and joy into the space. Thanks so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this project, leave a comment and share your version with us. Don't forget to subscribe to Crystalflare for more dreamy DIYs. Until next time, stay creative and stay sparkly.